In winter the passes are blocked by snow, but for 4 or 5 weeks the river freezes and it becomes a highway, the only way to get to the remote villages.
Tupama voyando te ang kurden julnyami do no voyona yu shicharu dun yad we chui chaba no chui chaba.
Yeah, and this can also connect with this light. Okay, these are the bulb holders and the switches connected via wire. But if you see, the wire is very, very thick and it's totally frozen. It's rigid.
It's so cold. It's about -15 now, isn't it?
We need to cool. We need to warm this for another half an hour, so that it can be usable. The beauty of silica is that at lower temperatures it gives more current. In one day it gets 9 hours of sunlight in summers. In winters it gets 6 hours of sunlight, and proper sunlight.
Hello kids. Now here's the heart of the computer system. Now it works completely offline. There's half a terabyte of memory in here, and installed on here is all of Wikipedia, TED Talks, all sorts of other encyclopedias, all sorts of work.
It works very well and I gain many knowledge from it.
I think it's perfect for a student of mountain areas.
Unless and until the villagers have no basic facility, they will migrate to the town. Now the Hanamur, they got a basic facility, so probably their young generation will stay here.
But there is a rather unfortunate tradition at the end of the trek. That's right, a dip.